Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using eMoney Advisor. In this eMoney Advisor review, I'll guide you through my experience with this robust retirement planning platform. It's designed for both individuals and financial advisors looking for comprehensive retirement planning solutions. Whether you're managing your own retirement planning or a financial advisor crafting personalized strategies for clients, eMoney Advisor offers a tailored experience. A key feature of eMoney Advisor is its powerful suite of financial planning tools. These tools enable you to build detailed retirement plans factoring in your income, savings, expenses, and desired retirement lifestyle. By analyzing your current finances and projecting them forward, eMoney Advisor helps you optimize your resource allocation for a secure retirement. The platform truly shines with its highly interactive and visually engaging dashboards. These dashboards provide a clear and concise overview of your financial health, projected retirement savings, and investment strategy. You can easily adjust key variables such as retirement age, withdrawal rates, and income goals to experiment with different scenarios. This allows you to visualize the impact of your financial choices on your long-term future. Another significant advantage of eMoney Advisor is its seamless integration with numerous financial institutions. This integration allows you to directly import your bank accounts, investment accounts, and other assets into the platform. This not only saves valuable time but also ensures your data remains current, which is essential for making informed, long-term retirement planning decisions. Keeping your data updated provides a more accurate picture of your financial landscape. In summary, eMoney Advisor is a premier retirement planning tool offering robust features for individuals and financial professionals alike. It provides the necessary tools, insights, and flexibility to build a secure financial future, whether you're seeking a clearer understanding of your own finances or assisting others in their retirement planning journey. Click the link in the description to explore eMoney Advisor today and start planning your future.